Manipur University ki NSS Unit 1, 2 amasung 3 na University asigi Department of Anthropology ka KHUTSHAMNARAGA Department asigi Conference Hall da My Bharat Portal ki outreach program Pangthokhre. Taramadu University asigi faculty members singa loinana Manipur University ki tongan ba department singi NSS volunteers sing su saruk yakhi. Taramadu NSS Unit 3 ki program officer Dr. Huidrom Surajna hai My Bharat Portal ase Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki meeting makhata hodokibani amade masi Viksit Bharat 2047 ki damak yamna maru oiba initiative amane. Thoram aduga mari lainana Department of Anthropology ke Professor Haubizam Vokendra amade Manipur University ki NSS Cell ke Program Coordinator Dr. L. Santos na tongan bahiram kayada wangangduna mahiroi singbu pupning thawatki. Manipur University ki School of Human and Environmental Sciences ki Dean Professor Soibam Jimbo Kumar na hai Indiana Independent oiba chahi chama farakpa matam kumza lisingani nifutareta leibak asi chawkhatpa leibak ama oihannaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na mangliba manglan adu mangfaw na hannaba Viksit Bharat campaign asi jangsin bani. Viksit Bharat ki manglan asi mangfaw na naba hotnabada maru oiba stakeholder mari jangi. Stakeholder sing adude leibak asigi naha sing laumi lairaba amate nupi sing ni. Stakeholder sing asina punna hotna minaraba matam adu khaktada leibak asi chawkhatpa ngamgadoribani. Masigi manungda su khwaidagi chawba role ama lauribasi leibak asigi naha sing ni. Viksit Bharat ki manglan asi mangfaw na duda leibak asi chawkhatpada state asisu yawgadoribani. State asina chawkhatlakpa haibase Manipur University su chawkhatlakani maramaduna manglan asi mangfawnanaba hotnabada naha singna mato karamna coordinate tawgani loinana awareness pigani haibatu mayek singna khangba jangi. Leibak asida leiriba adopted village singda paktaknana awareness sandoktuna chawkhatpa leibak amagi manglan asi mangfawnanaba aikhoi khudingmakna isa isagi thodang longminasi hainasu mahakna makha takhi.
Bringing prosperity, Viksit Bharat we have a tremendous or pivotal role to play. We have a role to play. Adugumba lawgadoriba roles into a loina mutiyuna nakoina adugumba role to laminasi adugi role laminana what sorts of awareness is to be given to the youths in the current awareness bigani economy ampermine to coordinate only adugidi ecoina kungang sing the sataga adugumba village in the adopted village in the sataga adopted village in the awareness piraga piraba matunda when people are aware matunda we will be able to develop and finally we will be able to bring what you say or achieve the dream of Honorable Prime Minister of India.